will share an affirmation, and if you so wish, repeat out loud or in yourself. Attuned to Christ consciousness, I am. Attuned to the light of Source, I am. Attuned to most pure intentions and my highest and most sacred potential, I am. I am free of all that formerly limited me and which was not in congruency with my essential destiny. Reclaiming all that belongs to me. I recognize and acknowledge what I am in truth. My soul as a whole, me, holy inner unity. I am committed to set myself free, to see and experience myself as sovereign being. I remember divine union within my deepest core. I know myself as innocent purity. Embodying truth is my innermost security. I am the ignited Christ flame. I am the eternal Christ flame. I am the resurrected Christ flame within. I am the ignited truth. I am the eternal truth. I am the resurrected truth. I am ignited wisdom. I am eternal wisdom. I am resurrected wisdom. I am the ignited light. I am the eternal light. I am the resurrected light. I am ignited love. I am eternal love. I am resurrected love. One with God, Goddess, I am. One with the One, I am. I am that. I am.